Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another TJ Maxx shop with me video, but I decided to do this one while I was in New York City. I thought it would be fun to see what the huge TJ Maxxes are like in New York, since I felt like they should be a little bit different than the one I have in Iowa. I wanted to kind of see if I could find anything really cool. So I went to this giant TJ Maxx and Marshalls combined store. It was huge, right in the middle of the city. And I went to the TJ Maxx, that's where I found most of my stuff. I also went to the Marshalls, but I never have luck with Marshalls for some reason. Whenever I go, it's super messy and just hard to maneuver, and I didn't really find a whole lot there. So pretty much everything is TJ Maxx. So I thought this would be kind of a fun video to compare. Hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So in the mascara and brow section, the first thing I found is from Buxom, the Big Tease Plumping Mascara. This one is $5.99, and there is quite a few of those. Actually, I've not seen that one around me yet, so that is new, but otherwise there's a ton of different drugstore brow products, mascaras and stuff. They have quite a big selection here, but not a ton of high-end ones. And then I saw they had a ton of the Bare Minerals blushes, the same ones I found at my store, like Blaney Brunch, that peach though, and then there's a nude one, but they must be discontinuing a few shades or something, but it's all the same ones that I have, but they have a ton of them. These are $7.99. Also, they have this 5-in-1 from Bare Minerals. This BB Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Rich Caramel for $4.99. They always have really good prices on Bare Minerals. There's a Smashbox Stick Foundation, $14.99. This stuff actually is not very good, so I would not recommend it if you guys are wondering. Some Anastasia Liquid Glow stuff. This one I've featured previously. There's another one of those creams, a different shade from Bare Minerals. They have the Bare Skin Concealer. This stuff's really good. This one's $4.99. I wish they had some more shades. And then I see custom cover drops for $6.99. These I have not seen at my store. These are from Smashbox. The Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trios. This is in Night Shoot. This one is $7.99. Had a couple eyeshadow singles from Lancome. Their color design. This one looks like a pink. This one is $9.99. And then here's one of the Too Faced items, the Rainbow Strobe Highlighter for $12.99. It's the only Too Faced thing from the Unicorn collection that is here. Then they have this little section which has some higher end stuff like Subculture as usual for $24.99. There's some Kat Von D brightening powder for $7.99. Some Kevin Kwan stuff. There's a hair cone set, No Makeup Essentials. This one is on sale for $20. So a lot of really similar stuff that I have. And then they have a Bare Minerals palette called Treasure. This one is $19.99 for that. And they also have some Gucci eyeliner, or I guess, what does that say? Brow pencil, sorry. That one is $19.99. Interesting. They had a Pharmacy Honey Ginger Lip Bloom. This one is $3.99. They also have some Laura Geller sets. This one is a foundation 4-piece set. This is $19.99. And then there is another one back here. So scrumptious. It looks like a holiday set. That one is $39.99. They have a lot of similar skincare, but I found a Shiseido Revitalizing Cream. This looks really nice. This is $79.99. Oh my goodness. Okay. That is a little pricey. I wonder how much that stuff must retail for. But a lot of similar brands at my store. A lot of similar products. Some more Peter Thomas Roth Laser Free Resurfacer. This one is $34.99. This is interesting, but it looks so dirty. This is the Vichy water, the thermal water. This stuff's really good, but this bottle is trashed, and this is $24.99. I feel like that actually should be a lot less than that, so that's kind of weird. There's some more Peter Thomas Roth Eyelid Lift Serum, $49.99, kind of pricey. And I know a lot of people love the Real Techniques brushes. They have a bunch of the Brush Crush collection around $7.99, $5.99 for those brushes. They have a lot of similar the lip colors, like the melted latex. I've showed you guys that in previous videos. There's a lip injection glossy from Too Faced for $6.99. A bunch of different stuff, just the same old things. And then there's a bunch of these Bare Minerals full coverage concealers, which I showed in my last video, but they have like a ton of different ones here, which these are $5.99. And a bunch of more Bare Minerals. Oh my gosh, I think, what is this? Blemish Ready Concealer. I have not seen that one. That one's $5.99. And then a bunch of the Gen Nudes from Bare Minerals, which I've always seen at other stores. I forgot about this, but they have this Kevin Kwan Neo Trio set. This is so cool. This is a really nice set for $24.99, and you get like the highlighter and then 2 highlights and a blush. Yeah, people in New York don't like Rae Dunn that much because in Iowa this stuff is like always gone, but they have like so many Rae Dunn mugs here. Just tons and tons, and these are just like you can never find them in Iowa because everyone does like the farmhouse style, but they have so many. Like, how cute is this? If I wasn't traveling, I would totally be buying this. Like, everyone wants these, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is just like, this stuns me how much stuff they have. They have all of the mugs, like the travel mugs, and then all of the like spoon trays, and then the butter stuff. Like, this stuff is never at TJ Maxx in Iowa because everyone like snatches it up, but like in the city, I guess people are like, who wants farmhouse style? Just like, even like these baking dishes I always want. Like, I wish I could just ship this stuff to me. It's so cool. So as you can see, the TJ Maxx in New York City has a lot of the same kind of stuff. It feels like all the stores get around the same things. There's not really a ton of stores that are like better than other ones in my opinion, but it just kind of depends what day that you pop in. But they basically had like the same kind of idea, so they must get like shipment just to all the states, and everyone gets like the same things basically. But I did think it was cool. I had to include some Rae Dunn stuff because I actually collect like Rae Dunn, and I have like a whole like Rae Dunn themed kitchen. And in like Iowa and a lot of like the southern and midwestern states, people are like goo goo gaga for this stuff, and it's like you can never find it there. So seeing like 2 fully stocked shelves of it was insane. So I had to include that part as well, even though it's not like makeup related, but it's just something that I thought was cool. So yeah, basically that's gonna be it for 2 days at TJ Maxx shop with me. Hope you guys liked it, and I will probably try to still do these about like once a month or so whenever it seems like they get new products in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.